Welcome to 99 Minds, the platform to manage omnichannel loyalty and gift card programs. In this video, we're diving into how to check the balance on a gift card. We'll cover how to check your gift card balance, reload a gift card, and buy it using the Square point of sale. First things first, make sure you're logged into 99 Minds and have reached the dashboard screen. Here we are at the dashboard. Let's have a look. We have the Integrations tab here. It's important to ensure that your Square point of sale is integrated. Go ahead and click on Manage. We need to verify that Square is connected. Here you can see the Square integrations. Here you can see our omnichannel loyalty account is enabled. The integration status is shown as disabled, which actually means it's active. Let's head back to the dashboard screen. On the dashboard, check out the gift card section labeled All Gift Cards. We can view them here. We have a gift card listed here, showing a creation transaction with a balance of $10.99 Minds. Just copy this gift card number and head over to Square. Now, we're on the Square dashboard. Here, you'll see the Square point of sale. You'll find different options like Buy Gift Card, Reload Card, and Check Balance. Let's go ahead and check the balance. I've copied the gift card number, so I'm pasting it here and clicking on Check Balance. Now, we can view the gift card balance. It's displaying $10. This confirms the gift card in 99. Minds also has a $10 balance. Additionally, you can reload this gift card directly from the Square point of sale. To do this, copy the gift card number again and head back to Square. Once here, you can reload the gift card. There's no PIN required, so simply set the amount you'd like to add. After setting the amount, click Continue. You'll need to fill in the card details here. You can input the card details and top up the gift card. I'm not completing this process right now. Additionally, you can also purchase gift cards through Square point of sale. Let's explore the Buy Gift Card option. You can purchase a gift card for an individual or a group. This is how you can buy a gift card. You can buy a gift card for an individual as well. After selecting the option, proceed to checkout and enter all the necessary information. There's an option to send it by email. For example, I'll add Nilesh at 99minds.io. Then click on the Checkout button. As you can see, a $10 gift card is ready to be purchased. You have the option to pay here. This is how you can buy, reload, and check the gift card balance both in 99 Minds and in the Square point of sale. So, this concludes the setup. You now know how to perform operations using the Square point of sale, and you can verify the settings in 99 Minds as well. Thank you for watching.